Hello and welcome. I have one of these flashlights and I needed to take it apart. It's a TrixHub, I think is how it's pronounced, TH005. So my charging port stopped working, and you get two of these in a package. You can find them on Amazon. They're pretty decent, but my charging port quit working on this one, so I wanted to see if I can fix it. It ended up just being a bad solder joint, but there's no instructions anywhere on how to take this thing apart. So first thing we have to do is just remove the entire back half. That's the battery. Inside here, this is if you're completely disassembling it. Inside here, I don't know if you can tell, but there's two little divots. If you can get something in there and start to tap that, it'll loosen up, and that piece will screw out. This silver piece around the board will screw out. On this side, you want to get something in there, like a small screwdriver or something, and put it in one of these little notches right here. The lens will come out. This lens just comes right out. And then you can get a small little screwdriver or something in that notch. Hold that in place and then turn this piece and it will screw out. I know it doesn't seem like that's the way it's going to work, but that's the way it worked. I was able to screw that out like that because it's screwed into. Let me put this one back together so I don't lose my pieces. But you can see on this one, it's threaded. And then inside there, in the part that's telescoping, this piece way down here, see if I can get in there, right there, you also see, I don't know if it's shown up on the camera, but there's threads right there. And that's what you're doing. You're holding that and unscrewing it from here. So you want to turn the base. That will unscrew. Now if you need to take this apart to get to that LED, there's little holes here and you see through it. You take something small and you pop that out. There will be two little spots you can do that with. You pop that out and it takes out, let me see if I can get this colored piece around the lens, which exposes the actual LED and the wires. Said there was nothing anywhere online on how to disassemble this. So, make this video. And one of the last things I found I needed to do is this piece right here, this little rubber cover for the switch. I had to get in there with something very tiny and pop that out in order to allow it to bypass the switch and the LCD screen. And then this slid out. Assembly is just the opposite of what you've done to take it apart. And I hope this video was helpful, because I couldn't find anything anywhere online. I found people selling them. I found people reviewing them, saying that they're a decent flashlight. I found the address on their website of the company who sells them, which is a whole other situation. It's kind of a shady, it looks like it might be a drop shipper type thing, but that's a whole different situation. They are decent flashlights. They're bright. They got a lot of function to them. But if you're watching this video, you already know that. You just want to know how the thing comes apart. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.